Hello everyone, my name is An Yi. Welcome to my hometown, Sichuan, the land of plenty. Apart from the beautiful scenery, the temptation of a city also lies in its food that satisfies your taste buds. Chengdu is listed by the United Nations as a city of gastronomy. Local cuisine boasts a long history and spicy, delicious taste. Pixian broad bean paste is considered the unique soul of sautéed sliced pork with pepper and chili. Indeed, it is an indispensable condiment for Sichuan cuisine. A variety of snacks of local flavour can be found at every lane and street in Chengdu, such as spicy dandan noodles, sour and sweet zhong's dumplings, and crispy baked egg cake. Chengdu has a museum where visitors can taste many delicacies, Sichuan Cuisine Museum. It is the world's only cuisine-themed experiencing museum, where people taste delicacies, learn to cook Sichuan food, can enjoy Sichuan opera. Sichuan cuisine, typically hot pot. As well as the wisdom behind it, shines light on the optimistic and inclusive spirit of Chengdu culture.